Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, June the 18th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of the Trading Room. Any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to participate in our free trading room. This is a subscription link, and that promo code for Father's Day is still active. It'll be active until 11:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time tonight. The promo code is for 25% off either on an annual subscription or on a monthly subscription only for the first month. I'm actually going on vacation after today. I won't be back into the room until June the 27th, so obviously no daily videos until then. All right, well, my goodness, what a, let me just bring back, I'd have to find the chart. Give me 1 second here. Oh, okay, I think I'm going to put this on pause for, all right, so this is the stock that, of course, everybody is talking about today is Gevo, and I can't believe I'm not in this one. We all saw this in the pre-market. It had the little pop here. This is, I think it's a gas additive of some sort, and I guess they got great news, but it didn't look like it was really going to amount to much. I mean, little pop, nice pop in the pre-market, but once the market opened, it just kind of drifted down and down. And remember, these are 15-minute candles, so there's an hour, and I just looked at that. Oh, okay, I guess the news isn't as great as I thought. Boy, was ever wrong. I mean, look at this. I mean, it went from $4.40 all the way to 21.02. It is now starting to pull back, but just an absolutely amazing ride. A lot of people in the trading room, of course, were in that one. So I thought I was doing pretty well on the ARWR. This is the one that I actually did get into, and got into the trade at 12:14. Where are you? That's close enough. Got into the trade right here at 12:14. Took some out along the way, of course, as I'm wont to do, and unfortunately, I got out. The last bid I got out was at 12.92, and it just kept going. It was a little bit hard for me to watch that as it kept moving up, but you just never know. I mean, with these, they can just collapse. Look at that bottoming tail, topping tail. This is what I thought. Well, okay, there's a bit of uncertainty, so I just thought, okay, I've got to take my profit, and I got out. But it just kept going, and man, oh man. One of the things that we're looking at, the other one that worked out very well for me was new. So if you were in the room on Friday, you know that I've put together an IPO alert window and top list window. Somebody asked me, well, why did I pick new? Well, new was an IPO on Friday. You can see what it did. There's the first day. There's the first day of trading on Friday, and here's the second day, of course. So I looked at this, and these IPOs have just been screaming hot. So I decided that I would take this trade if it got above the high of Friday. And of course it did, and it kept moving up. Let me just see on the 15. I waited what seemed like eternity for it to take out 24. And this is the pre-market action. There's the high in the pre-market action, just below 24. Moved down, moved up, and as you know, I like taking trades just over the whole number. I eventually got into this trade right at 24.21. So right about here. And then look what it did. A nice quick pop. My last sale was at 26.85 all the way up here. Again, it still moved higher from there. I did take some out along the way, but I guess my point is that this is a great, let me just put it here. This IPO tracker that I've got, and I'll, in the body of this email, you're going to see, I'm going to give you a link so that you can create your own IPO list. I cannot give it to you because it's part of my symbol list, and symbol lists do not copy over. They're unique to everybody's account. So consequently, you'll have to create your own, but I mean, it's really not that hard. It took me about 2 minutes to do it. Basically, you just type in every symbol that you see that have had that are IPOs, say over the last, I think I've got about 60 of them, and just attach them to an alert window or a top list window and monitor them. That's exactly what I do with new, and that's what I have done with Sogo. I am in Sogo. I got in, again, this is the high it hit on Friday. So I got into this trade basically right there, right at 1532. I was waiting for that break. So I'm in this one at 1532. Close enough. Right here, and waiting to see if this can move any higher. If you take a look, this was not a beautiful IPO like some of the other ones. You can see that it struggled. There's the IPO day, and I think it came in at no, that can't be right, because I think it IPO'd at, there we go. It IPO'd around $13. See how it struggled? It moved down and moved down and moved down from there. And I'm sure all the people who were holding that stock weren't very happy. But finally, after it finally based here for quite a while, it is starting to move up with the rest of all those other IPOs. I mean, it still pales to the IQ, HUA, Carbon Black, another one. I mean, there's so many of these that have just done so fantastically well. But anyway, I'm in Sogo now, and we'll see what happens. And let's see, I tried to take, well, I didn't try, I took this edge. Again, I'm looking at this as maybe a potential play. You might want to keep this on your radar. Because I'm going away on vacation, I don't want to hold anything over the time I'm gone. I'm out of my VSI, I'm out of my LPSN now. This is one that, of course, in theory, it may be just starting to come back. It had a disastrous day here, of course, or this day right here, March the 28th. Disastrous news. It is a bio, and it's really done nothing. Maybe now it is starting to crawl back. So, that is one that I would definitely watch going forward. Well, let's see what Gevo is doing right now. It's probably, I noticed it did finally had a big $5 pullback. But what a rise, what an incredible rise for it. All right, everybody, that's it. So again, I will be gone for the next 6 trading days. So I hope everybody has a great time over the 6 trading days. I'm not sure who's taking over the room. The room will be open, but I'm not sure who is going to be running the room while I'm gone. And I just hope that everybody behaves. Okay, not too many not too many posts that are off topic and all of that. And I say I'll be back on Wednesday, June the 27th. So hope everybody has a great trading week while I'm gone, and we'll see you in the trading room for me anyway, on June the 27th. Bye-bye.